Nazdar lidi, mé jméno je Lee a vítejte v tomto teleshoppingu. Tahle úžasná lampička, která svítí ve dne i v noci, svítí opravdu hodně. Tady je, tady ta.
Central High Tech State. Papers a week old.
A pardon, já jsem si přečetl špatný titulek, chtěl jsem něco přečíst o té lampičce, ale nepřečtu. No takže ta lampička svítí teda, a jo, prostě svítí. Nazdar lidi, já vás vítám u 4. let's play. Zvolknět, co pak to tu máme? Tatranku? Ne, noviny? Ne, Tatranku? Nevím. Clementine. Dáme jí Tatranku nebo noviny? Clem?
Thank you.
Of course.
OK. Postarali jsme se o Clementine. To je dobrý.
The pills are in there.
To je dobrý. Tady je další Tatranka. Tady na ty dva tak akorát kašlu, no to víš, že jí budu dávat Tatranku. Moji těžce vydřenou Tatranku a já ji asi někomu budu dávat. Ty se snad zbláznil, ne?
We can't let anything happen to Ducky.
I know, hon.
Ježíš.
It's not much, but here. For the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
No,
That's sweet, Lee.
já vím, díky. Pokecáme s
Hey, Lee. Maybe punching him wasn't such a good
To byl
idea.
dobrý nápad, to
There
byl...
were worse plans.
Já myslím, že to byl opravdu dobrý nápad. Jen tak dál.
We, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
Jaký je
What's the
plán?
plan?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
To je
You
dobrý
said your
plán.
family was from here in Macon?
That's right.
Taký
Where
pohled.
are they?
Co to bylo?
Should we go looking for them?
Tohle místo vlastnili, to ani nevím. A tak, řeknem to.
They own this place. They're gone.
Oh, sweetie.
Kat,
They were good people. I wasn't around much, but yeah, they're dead.
Lee,
Okolčíko.
you got a second?
To chceš?
Sure.
Back on Herschel's farm.
To si pěkně osral. Všechno je tvoje vina.
Panicked, you know. I'm not proud of
No
it.
to bys ani neměl na to být pyšnej. Tímhle tím
Let that boy die.
I know, man. I know.
to ti
But
nikdy
what did it
nezapomenu.
take? You free Duck, you clear your head, and we get that tractor off his leg.
That's what I keep thinking. I keep seeing his face.
Jako... Nebudu nic říkat, no. Jako ten obličej vidíš ještě předtím, než byl mrtvý, nebo jak byl mrtvý už? Protože když byl mrtvý, tak to nešlo moc poznat. A co pak máme v naší
We
hlavní
just need
nabídce?
to get back to Fort
It's all
Lauderdale.
melted now.
We'll do our damnedest.
Ježiš, ty jsi slepej. Kup si brýle. Co pak máme tady? Aha, tak to asi nic. Co jsi zjistil? Vypadá to, že nic. Co pak máme tady?
I don't remember them very well.
No, OK, takže taky nic. Co pak máme tady?
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead gods.
No, tak já jsem takový pohled
get some
přesně
rest,
potřeboval, ale
How can I
nevadí.
with those things out there?
Tak. Alive inside. Dovnitř jedině živý. A sakra. No tak to nevypadá příliš dobře. A tak třeba to přežílí. Nějak. Nebo
Can't.
taky ne.
I can't think about them in here.
Hej, proč zavíráš, Clementine? Ty jedna uchylko. Fotka. Vezmeme fotku. Co jsem já, úplně to nalevo? Já jsem ho takový vyhulnaný, ještě teďka jsem vyhulnaný z té farmy, tyjo.
Find anything?
Jo, what the... Ty šmíračko! Ty mi tady šmíruješ? Jenom
Just a
fotku.
picture of whoever was here.
I know who you are.
What the...
You're Lee
O
Everett.
čem to
You're a
krucinál?
professor at
Už
Athens
konečně
who
vím
killed a
svoje
state
příjmení.
senator who was sleeping with your wife. This is your parents' store. Folks
Přesně
around town
tak.
know the owner's son got himself a life sentence, but I'm a reporter for WABE in Atlanta. I paid attention to that trial. Maybe you're a murderer, but I don't really care. Frankly, that's a skill that might come in handy.
Jako, že chceš taky zabít
Did
někoho?
you tell anyone out there who you were, or that you were tied to this place?
Je apokalypsa.
The world is ending out there. Who cares who I am?
If you don't think people will find any reason to turn on you, especially when the shit hits the fan, you're insane.
No, chceš facku?
You seem like an okay guy, and the last thing we need is drama out there. You've got this little girl to take care of, and look, don't make me wrong on this.
I don't plan to.
Good.
Na
Because if this
Clementine mi
lasts longer
nešahej,
than a
ti
few
říkám.
days, and you're a
Naposledy.
detriment to the group, then we'd have a problem.
I hear you.
I'll just keep it to myself.
To bych ti krucinál radil.
How can I trust you?
You can't, I suppose, but you don't
Chceš
have many other
facku?
options.
Riskni, normálně je riskni. Napálí prostě dělo rovnou mezi očí a budem z toho všichni šťastní, vole.
That store leads to the back alley.
Takže tam se taky nedostanem, ale tady... No. Zaber. Robertek? Robert? To byl Robert? To je ale velký Robert.
What's that?
Robert, vole.
This is my dad's cane.
Jo, táty, jo. Je to velký,
Was he
dlouhý,
sick?
dřevěný
He was
Robert.
okay. I actually saw him whoop shoplifters with it.
Robertem?
His canes protected this
Na
place
Roberta mi
better than any
nešáhni.
guard dog ever could. Plus, he knew how to make it look cool. Like you with your hat.
My dad gave it to me.
See, dads are smart like that.
Tak ještě potřebujeme dát dopryč tenhle stůl.
Better get this door clear, huh?
Can I help?
Ne.
Sure.
Řekl jsem ne!
Here we go. Watch your fingers in the drawers.
To jsou otázky, tyjo.
You don't need anything, right?
No. I get hungry a lot.
Teď jsem ti dal tatranku, pane bože.
And you don't have any allergies or anything I should know about, right? No kids have allergies or asthma or just general maladies.
To je schůlený.
My friend Alfred has a peanut allergy.
But you cool?
I think so.
OK,
Here we go.
jdeme na to. Takový pohled, Clementine. Ona šílhá. Ona opravdu šílhá, to není možný.
No.
You don't have a family?
Pane bože, ty jsi teďka neposlouchala?
Let's not talk about that. Do you play sports?
I play soccer, but I don't really like it.
Co?
I'm
Fotbal
not
je
crazy
epická
about
hra?
either.
Co děláš?
All right, a little further.
Oh, paráda. Paráda,
Why
paráda,
don't you want
paráda,
to talk about your
ta.
family? Do they, like, hate you?
Držu, ne. Tak,
I hope not. It's just complicated. That's
přesně tak,
Why?
přesně tak. Pane bože, ty jsi tak otravné děcko. Ale mám tě
But
rád.
you love them, right?
Tebe taky.
yeah, of course.
Tlač a neptej se furt.
Look, my family's gone and I just wish things would have been different.
Hele, je to jenom
Yeah.
o mně, o tobě a
I'm not a
o
bad guy,
Robertovi.
What's happening? We didn't talk
OK,
about that.
nevadí.
My parents don't talk to me when I get in trouble.
I can relate.
O, co se stalo? A,
Are you okay?
I
ona
hurt my
krvácí.
finger.
Ona
Is
krvácí.
it bleeding?
A little.
Lee,
I'll find you a bandage.
je na čase jí dát první pomoc. Jdem na to. Potřebujeme nějaký obupas, že? Tady máme first aid, neboli první pomoc. Pojď, dáme jí to. Na. Tady to máš.
Let's have a look at that finger. Ow.
It hurt.
Let's see if we can do something about it.
No tak už jí dej tu náplast.
Let's get this cut covered up.
Yes, please.
To jsou pohledy. To jsou pohledy. No, ty jsi magič. Jak ty to jen děláš? Televize, pustíme si
Did I
televizi.
get the remote for that thing in here someplace?
Lee,
Co zas chceš?
what if my parents come home and I'm not there?
Najdou
They'll
nás.
track us down. Don't worry.
Yeah, okay. We should keep a lookout. I've got my walkie-talkie in case they try that way.
Stay close to me until then, okay?
OK. Já bych potřeboval najít ten ovladač.
First aid kit.
To ne, to není ono. Tady něco máme. Co pak bude tady? Já to tušil! Chtěl se přede mnou schovat, ale nepovedl jsem
It's
to.
the remote to my dad's TV.
Vem to a pustíme si TV. Například třeba Novu, nebo Primacool.
That's what I
Jo, tak to vypadá jako Nova. Prostě to vypnul! Idiote. Zkusíme ty dveře teďka už konečně.
It's locked. We need to track down the keys if we're gonna help Larry.
OK. Ne, to jsem
It's
nechtěl, já jsem chtěl
We
kliknout
need
na
to track
Roberta.
down the keys if
Asi
we're
to
gonna
nejde.
help Larry.
OK, takže tady jsme asi skončili, už tady nic víc.
My parents came in here hoping to survive. But it looks like one of them was hurt. I wonder if it was my dad. Trying to be a hero, maybe. Or a protector, at least.
To chlap hodný ctí. A pojďme tady odsud.
Wanna head back into the drugstore with me?
Okay.
OK.
Lee,
Co zás?
Yeah.
you're not bad, right?
Už jsem ti říkal, že nejsem.
Why are you asking me that?
That lady said you killed someone. Was that because he was one of the things trying to eat you?
Ne, nebyla.
No, he wasn't.
Oh,
A,
was he bad?
to byl.
He was.
Já myslím, že z tebe někdy dobrý táta nebude, ale to nechme. S váma nemluvím, vy si vyserte tak maximálně oko. A... Jak tady... S váma jsem už mluvil, vy si taky můžete, víte co? A co pak dělá Duck?
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
Jo?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the gate up there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Aha. Já potřebuji na čerstvý vzduch, potřebuji se vychcat. Vysrady vychcat. Nesneme se ven?
Let's
Jdeme
go
na
have
to.
a look around.
Cool, and we'll keep it down. Don't need to bring them back this way with any unnecessary noises.
Agreed.
Agreed. Let's do this. Ah, potichu. Pšš. Pšš, 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 pšš. Bože, shut the fuck up. Oni jsou slepí, nebo jsou i blbí? Koho to žerou? Koho pak to papaj? Shut the fuck up.
Eat. As far as I can tell, that's all they care about.
And if one gets you,
They eat you. And whatever's left comes back as one of them.
Dále.
fuck.
I think it might be more than a couple days before all this gets sorted out.
Já myslím, že jedna partička v pokru a bude po všem.
We better keep it down out of here.
Cihla. Pojďme jim vzít.
I can't reach that brick.
Ježiš, ty jsi idiot. Ne? Co to dělá?
Think you can do anything with this?
You know what I could do?
What's that?
Ty jsi nějaký počítačový mák?
It's universal. I could program it to work with those TVs across the street.
On to může naprogramovat a přepínat tam programy.
Just do it.
To je idiot.
I memorized all the codes when I was in AV. Let's try.
Hex!
Well fucking done.
To je
Doc.
cheater. To není možný.
Your nonsense might save a life.
Who's to say it already hasn't?
No teďka všichni budou koukat na tu zatracenou televizi. Hele, to vypadá jako
I got a
Nova.
few of them to take notice.
Televize. Sníme to?
But not enough.
Tam je co je?
That guy over there has the keys.
How can you be sure?
I found this in the office. That boy in the photo worked here. The keys being on him is as good a bet as we
OK,
could
otevři
make.
to a jdem na to.
Yeah, I agree. Just need to figure out how to get out there and get them.
Cože?
You wouldn't need long, right?
Nah, just a few seconds.
OK, otevři mi a jdem na to.
Maybe there's a way to distract them and buy you some time.
Doc, you want to get this door open?
About that.
You've got the combo, right?
No.
Ježiši!
Did anyone ever have it?
Look, man, there were a lot of those things trying to get in here.
And now we can't get back out onto the street.
Vy jste takový
We're also
Ich
part of
ty ove,
something
pane
more than just
bože.
fire code violations.
It's a combination lock.
Super, pojďme
Let's
zpátky.
head back inside.
Okay.
Pane bože, oni vážně jako už neví, jak mě prostě můžou nasrat. Pokud tam ještě s tebou, chceš šatranku?
Here, I've been finding some stuff to eat.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome.
Are you sure your girl doesn't need it?
She's good. I've been trying to keep her fed and watered.
You're a good caretaker.
Já vím.
Thanks.
A co potřebuješ?
You're a pretty good shot.
Well, you don't fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
Dokonce je vtipná, tyjo.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Really? I'm a disaster.
No to
I can't
seš,
tell.
to je taky pravda, no.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
To je pěkný.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Tak to máte hodně
Yeah.
společného aspoň, no.
What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work though.
A zkoušela si ho
let me have a look.
zapnout? Tak. Vzhledem k tomu, že ta holka vypadá jako opravdový tupec, zkusíme to nejdřív zapnout. Ne.
Nothing.
Zkusíme to zesilit. Zkusíme to otočit. Hele, máš tam vůbec baterky? No jasný, ty tam nemáš baterky a zkoušíš to zapnout.
What now?
Do you know that there are no batteries in that thing?
Yeah, of course. I mean, yeah. No.
I can try to find some.
Ne, zhůle na
These two.
3 dny bez
I
kafe
wouldn't
a
even
mluví
really know
úplně
what
z
to look for.
cesty. Bože můj.
Looks like nobody got a chance to donate anything before this all went down.
To je smůla. Musíme najít baterky.
I found this remote in the office, but I'm pretty sure the batteries won't fit.
It needs the big stumpy ones.
Yeah, these are no good.
OK, musíme někde najít baterku. Tady asi nebude. Ne, to jsou fotky. A já tam nikde nejsem. Jen protože jsem černej. Co pak mám? Tetranku další? Co pak to vzal? Baterku! On našel baterku! To je paráda. Tak tady to máš, sežer si
This
to.
battery should fit the radio.
Great, thanks.
A už to funguje, ne to rádio?
I found this remote in the office, but I'm pretty sure the batteries won't fit.
It needs the big stumpy ones.
Yeah, these are no
Aha,
good.
takhle. OK, takže potřebuje ještě jednu. Ta paní. Tak tedy, nebude tady? Bankomat. Tak
Snad
vybereme
damage.
si nějaký prachy.
Yeah, this place didn't get looted.
No, tak ne, no. Tak si nevybereme žádný prachy. Potřebuji ještě jednu. Co dělá? Ježíš. Potřebuji ještě jednu baterku. Nemáte někdo z vás, z idiotů, ještě jednu baterku? Ne, tady. Ne, to je mysli tyčinka, krucina, ale nevadí. Už nahrávám 20 minut, pane bože. A chce se mi přiknout, to ne. OK, hotovo. Takže tady bych to ukončil. Já vám děkuji za slednutí, pokud se vám tento díl líbil, tak dejte like, anebo se můžete přihlásit k mému odběru. Takže zatím díky a čus.